Why, hello there, it's me. It's Swoopy. Today, we are doing something really fun. I'm going to draw like cow, but I have this idea in mind where I want to make it super cute and super happy, which, you know, I think we can do pretty nicely just by doing some very small and special steps. The first one is you gotta make sure that the mouth is big enough and very nice and open, okay? Next, we gotta make these eyes look like they're almost sparkling. So what I'm going to do that is make them like a little rough and make sure that like kind of see how wavy that is right there. That's it. And we got like a little bit of a spark right there. That makes it so cute. Then over here we do like the same thing, but it's gonna be slightly different because I don't know how to make it the same. No, I'm kidding. I think the reflections are different depending on the side of the face, you know? Now, I want to add in a little bit of a fuzziness because you guys know I like the fuzzy stuff. Fuzzy stuffs make the things look even more cute, and I like that about them, really. So, next, we add in like this little. Oh my gosh, he's got a mohawk, is what he's got. It's so good. Look at this right over here. We add in that. And this side, we go like this. We curve that in too. You know, it kind of looks cute. We go whoosh, whoosh. That's too much of a curve. Let's make this nice and softer then. This one though, that one can be up a little bit. And then we go like this and like that, and then watch this, okay? Did you know that some cows have tags on their ears? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this cow knows something very important, okay? That it is number Juan. That's so good. We got this little guy here, and then this will go off into the side. This will go down like that for the body. And oh, and then watch this. Boom. We go and then whoosh whoosh. And then oi 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 oi. And maybe even oi 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 oi. That's no, that's too much. Oi oi. There. It wasn't the oi 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 oi. We just needed the oi oi. That's all. Now, I picked out some colors for this. Number one, let us start off with this tongue color because I always forget it and it's always last. Next, we need our base color, which is this color right here. It's kind of a light brown to a near tan, maybe even a khaki. Now, you might be wondering, why do I have the colors down there? Don't you normally just pick them when you go? To answer your question, you are absolutely correct. But today I wanted to be a little more prepared. I like drawing, and I want to make them even more better every time. So sometimes, preparation, dude, that stuff is important, okay? But other times, I like to fly by the seat of my pants. Wait a minute. How do pants have seats? Like, how does that work? Well, I guess you sit on your pants all the time, right? Is that this one? I'm trying to grab that one. Is that what they mean when you say you fly in the seat of your pants? Like the seat of your pants being, of course, your butt on the like the jeans or the shorts or I don't know tights, and then you just like, oh, well, that's it. By the way, you can see now I'm using this almost very warm brown to fill in a lot of the bigger spots. In fact, even this whole ear over here will be the same. The only thing that I want to change is we got to come in and make this little poofy color slightly different. So I might have to add one more color into the mix, or I'm going to use the same color that I used for the patches on his eyes, on his back, because I think he will look gorgeous regardless. This actually has to go up there. I forgot that point. Whoops. It's a good thing we fixed it now. I actually kind of like the idea of bringing this right in here and just kind of making it happen, you know? Also, watch this. We could just spec him up a little bit. I kind of like him. Now, actually, when I say I kind of like him, I almost love him. And I'm just getting to know him, so that's kind of scary, you know? All right. Next, all I gotta do is this. Get rid of that. And boom! Moosafer is done. I think Moosafer is super cute. Let me know what you think of Moosafer down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe today, or Moosafer will cry. We don't want Moosafer. I'll show you, okay? Is that you not subscribing, random guy? Watch, though. Look what you're making Moosafer do. You hit the button? Well, now he's crying out of happiness. Look at this. He's so happy. Oh my gosh. We should add like a little sparkles there. He's so happy you subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. We will catch you guys all tomorrow. And with that, goodbye. Next time, something more specialer. I'm kidding. Moosafer is the best.